I'm Alex.
And I'm Brady.
And today we're going to be unboxing the new Apple 2019 Mac Pro.
We're also going to be opening up the inside, taking a peek, checking out all the components, seeing what that's all about.
So let's get to it.
Beautiful box.
Really smooth, very clean lines. It's got this interesting texture, you can kind of hear it there.
Has these nice Velcro straps. Reminds me of my grandpa's shoes.
Yep, this nice seam down the middle where it opens, so let's get this open.
Definitely.
Take these straps.
You got it?
What's up here?
It's a heavy lid.
What's up, really?
You got it?
You can see there's a lot of stuff going on in the lid here, keep everything secure.
Smell that new Mac smell. Very nice.
I like these chrome, really shiny handles right on top here. So
Very much.
let's see. Looks like here we've got the mouse. See that there?
Take a look at it here.
Yeah, here we go.
Pretty nice.
Oh, that's
Open up the inside. We got some cables in here.
your charging cable.
We've got the mouse itself. Take a look at that.
Nicely wrapped.
Ooh. Beautiful color. Nice and shiny.
I like that.
Now let's set that aside for now.
See, up front here we have the new keyboard. Over here. Again, it looks like they changed the color on it. Here we go.
This is very beautiful looking as well. All of that. Very nice.
If you want to grab that. Got the box here. Again, it had a lot of extra padding inside to keep it secure during shipping.
Anything below that in there?
Oh yeah. There you go. It actually sounds like there's something in there.
Let's take a look inside here.
Oh,
We got the instruction manual. Nice, but we got a little bit more goodies in here.
yeah.
Some more information.
Well, information on the package.
But the best thing of all are these sweet stickers.
Ooh.
Nice and big.
Yeah, bigger than the laptop and Mac Mini ones.
They look great on your car.
So we got the power plug here. Comes in this nice little wrapping here.
What's neat about this is a nice braided cable.
It's a really durable, secure looking cable too.
Most definitely.
Very heavy duty.
Very nice.
So here we've got the machine on the table ready to go out of the box. We were able to get it out, as you saw, with these nice, really shiny polished handles.
Very nice. Very heavy duty.
And what's cool is they actually go down the corner of the machine down to the bottom where the feet attach here. And you can see we've got these nice shiny feet here that don't come out any further than the edge of the machine. So it doesn't take up any more space on your table or workstation space.
Very heavy duty feet as well.
Mm-hmm.
Well, you ready to take off this fabric here and see what's underneath?
Yeah, it's got
Let's
this
do
nice
it.
fabric. If you want to see what that there. And it comes out the back here.
I'll just slide it up. Want to set this aside over there? Thank you, Alex. We got another layer of plastic here. You can go ahead and undo that.
Comes with these convenient little arrow tabs to tell you what you're peeling.
Very easy.
One piece here on the top.
Another around the front.
Oh, and there's actually another
3 pieces.
here. It comes around the back.
There we go. Also got another one under the bottom here.
Oh yeah.
Again, another tab to point that out. Thank you,
That
Alex.
out a little easier there.
Ooh, now this machine looks amazing.
I've not actually seen this one in person. I really like that.
Very much
Little
so.
bubble texture there.
Want to take a look at some of the stuff here?
Yeah. So this is the back of the machine. We've got a bunch of the ports here, the power.
Definitely. We got the power cable. We got 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, 2 USB-A ports. Looks like a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. Then the video card down here, we got 4 more Thunderbolt ports, along with an HDMI port. And then on the side next to the power port, we have 2 10 gig Ethernet ports.
Very nice. And it looks like there's a few extra slots for adding your own PCI cards out the back there. So you got the classic look on the front of the machine.
Now look at that. Doesn't that look amazing?
I really like that. It looks a lot different in person than it looks in the pictures, because they
Very
really
much
can't
so.
get that 3D texture that this has.
Hemispherical design in there. It's
Yeah.
Very beautiful, very nice.
It's a neat look.
I'm amazed by how great it looks, that's for sure. All right, Alex, on top here we got two Thunderbolt 3 ports, power button, and then a power LED. Let you know that system's on or off. We also have this nice handle for the locking mechanism, so you could pull the case on and off.
Yeah.
Want to set it back down and we could compare it to another Mac Pro here.
Yeah, we got the old ones here. You can show them side by side.
All right, Alex, we got two previous generation Mac Pros here to compare to. We have the 2012 MacPro7 one, the previous generation tower design. We also have the infamous 2013 MacPro 6.1 trash can there. And then in the middle, we have the brand new 2019 MacPro7 one.
So yeah, let's take a look. So the new Mac Pro is a little bit shorter on the top, like almost indistinguishable, but just a smidge.
Very slight.
But you'll see the handles actually sit a little taller than the old machine. It is also a little shorter from front to back by about an inch or so, I think it looked like.
Looks close to that, yeah.
So, and obviously both a little bigger than the 2013 model. So yeah, let's take a look inside. Apple made this really easy to get into.
Very much so.
All you have to do is take this convenient little latch here and give it a turn.
Oh, wow, that's really cool, Alex. You can see the case lift up as you do that.
Okay, Brady, show us what's in here.
Most definitely. All right, first we got this massive heatsink for the CPU. That thing is gigantic. Going from there, we got this nifty little locking tab for all the PCI cards. Got another USB-A port on the inside for a total of 3. 2 SATA connectors with a Molex power connector. Looks like you got some pins here for future expansion. We got a I/O card here in a 4X slot. Right below that, we have 2 8X slots, followed up by our Afterburner card in a 16X slot. We also got an additional 16X slot down below that, with another one combined with a MPX slot. Plugging in a second MPX module, like the massive Radeon Pro Vega 2 Duo MPX module. This thing's ginormous. Apple makes accessibility a priority in this, with these number indicators to let you know which order to remove the MPX module and PCI cards, especially like this locking mechanism here. Now let's take a look at the front. All right, Alex, we got this massive fan here for the CPU, in addition to 2 more down here for the PCI slots and the power. In addition to that, we got the 2 SSD modules right here.
And here you can see what we were talking about before. That is the bar that goes between the handles and the feet, all the way around in one solid piece. And here, let's turn it around to look at the other side of the machine.
We got another fan here on the side with a vent going to the SSDs, keep those cool. And up here we got the memory slots. Let's go ahead and pop those open and see what's in the inside. Got 2 modules up on the top, 6 DIMMs, and another 2 modules and 6 DIMMs down below there. Now what is really neat is on the back of these panels, Apple includes an indicator to let you know where to put your modules based on how many you have. Go along with the accessibility priority Apple built into this machine.
So yeah, I think this is a really neat machine. I love the handles, makes it really easy to move around if you need to. I love that cheese grater, as they call it, hemispherical design on the front and back. Looks really neat in person. The inside is just such a clean, easy to navigate space. It's just a really overall nice looking, nice machine.
Definitely, Alex. Very solid, very beautiful, very well made. I personally really like the horsepower in this. Very powerful machine, especially the amount of memory you could have. Up to 1.5 terabytes, that is crazy.
12 slots is a lot of memory.
12 slots, that's for sure. The MPX modules, that's a fantastic design. But in general, this thing is a beast. It is powerful.
Yeah.
And that's what I'm most excited about.
It's a beautiful machine.
Definitely. I'm Brady.
And I'm Alex. And this was OWC's 2019 Apple Mac Pro unboxing video.
For more information, you can check out our website, macsales.com, or our Rocket Yard blog. Have a great day, everyone.